around the thing.
You gotta turn it.
Other tape here? Motherfuckers making this bitch damn near impossible to get into. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Well, here's y'all's power cord if y'all don't know. If you don't know how to turn it on and shit, you got to plug it in. This is the console controller. Very sleek, very nice. Of course, if you don't know how to read, this ain't gonna be no good use to you anyway. Console stand right here, obviously. Your HDMI, I prefer gold tip. Gold tip's better. Yep. So, had a problem with the last recording. Here's your power cord. For all you suckers that don't know how to turn on your console, you need to plug this into your console. I prefer gold tip HDMI cables, but this will work. As you know, you see the media remote, Assassin's Creed Valhalla. And this is a PlayStation 5 controller. Yeah, very sleek. Feels very comfortable, very firm. So let's go on to the actual console itself. Pause it for a moment.
Go ahead.
This is y'all's PS5 stand. As y'all know, it's got a little dock on it that you can put your screws in if you don't want to use it. Which should be... shit, I don't even know. There we go. You just use this to turn it. Alright. So here's y'all what y'all been waiting for. This is the brand new PlayStation 5 Standard Edition. For those who want to know. Very futuristic, of course. Got some of your USBs on the back, your Ethernet, HDMI, your power source. You got your Type-C right here. And you got your another USB port.
Your Android.
You got your C-Type right here. You got your USB. Forget the other part that's called to it. Power and your ejection button. Your CD disk drive. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Aside from the logo. And fun fact, if y'all did not know, if y'all look on the PlayStation 5 this itself, if y'all did not know, look very closely. You're going to have to get a magnifying glass for this. But the actual design of the cover is X, square, circle, and triangles. It's not just little indentations in the siding.